I knew I was gay for quite a long time, but growing up, we heard a lot of things like gay is a sin, you can't be in this family being gay. I came out around 19 years old. I figured they probably know. I might as well tell them. Mom, I am a lesbian. And my mom, she was definitely taken back by it. Me and my mom don't talk now. And I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that I am not, the daughter she expected me to be. I'm a mechanic. I am 22 years old, and I've worked on just about 8,000 cars. You watch TV shows, it's always males working on them, males driving them. Everyone is brought up to think that that's a man's job. And I want to take that opinion and change it. As a woman, no one took me seriously. Men were making sexual comments towards me, saying things like, "You'd be real good at being a saleswoman, you're pretty. I can teach you, you don't know what you're doing." And I'm thinking to myself, I'm gonna get this job and you're not gonna tell me no. So here I go applying, and denial, more denial, until finally they tell me I'm hired. I was so happy, I didn't even know how to express it. I walked out of the dealership and I was like, oh my gosh, this is actually happening. As a woman, you may have to try harder, but don't let that stop you. Don't let that make you think that you can't do it. By day, I'm a mechanic, and by night, I'm a drag king. My first performance, I didn't know what I was doing. So one of the first stores I actually went into was Sephora. And the people there, they helped me pick out everything I needed for me, matched my skin tones, and I started really getting into makeup. And I finally found my drag look, and it was time, I felt, to shine. In drag, I go out there with an attitude. I'm there to show you exactly what I'm made of and exactly what the gay community is made of. I really hope to inspire other women to realize just because you're a female does not mean you have to fulfill society's female roles. So if you want to come out, you come out, because living for you, that's the best feeling.